Despite Peloton's problems, it keeps pushing. To help reinvigorate the company, Megan Imbres is joining as Chief Marketing Officer, bringing a wealth of experience from her previous roles at Apple, Amazon, and Netflix. With over 2 decades of experience in direct-to-consumer marketing, data-driven performance marketing, brand development, and creative strategy, Imbres is well-equipped to lead Peloton's global brand and product marketing efforts. Imbres's impressive background includes developing campaigns and activating around cultural moments, such as the Apple Music-sponsored Super Bowl halftime show and Apple TV's partnership with Major League Soccer. Her experience in growing direct-to-consumer subscription businesses and delivering culturally resonant campaigns will undoubtedly propel Peloton forward on its path towards growth. Peloton CEO Peter Stern is clearly excited to work with Imbres, citing her creative instincts and track record of success. Imbres will oversee global brand and product marketing, growth marketing, creative, consumer insights, and member engagement, reporting directly to Stern. In addition to Imbres' appointment, Peloton is also promoting Francis Shanahan to the newly created role of Chief Technology Officer. Shanahan has been with Peloton since 2021, leading the company's software engineering team and delivering intuitive product experiences that enable Peloton's expert-led content to reach millions of members. As CTO, Shanahan will lead Peloton's engineering and technical teams, spearheading the company's customer-facing AI innovation strategy and guiding product architecture. His experience and passion for endurance and performance training make him an excellent fit for this role. Peloton's Chief Product Officer, Nick Caldwell, praises Shanahan's instrumental role in the product organization and his understanding of the important role AI plays in Peloton's connected fitness ecosystem. With Imbres and Shanahan on board, Peloton is pumped it can deepen its connection with existing members and meet new ones, driving growth and success in the competitive fitness industry. In the bigger picture, the company's leadership team, including CEO Peter Stern, is focused on expanding beyond its traditional home fitness base and deepening member engagement. From Peloton's most recent quarterly results, it had a 13.1% year-over-year decline in revenue, but the company has made significant progress in cost reduction, achieving a 23% year-over-year decrease in total operating expenses. This has supported profitability despite continued pressure on hardware sales and subscriber counts. The company's product and content innovation have driven higher engagement, with the launch of new strength and wellness programming, including kettlebell workouts and personalized training plans. Nearly 500,000 members have started a personalized plan, which has correlated with increased workout frequency and variety. Peloton is also exploring new retail and commercial initiatives, including a microstore pilot in Nashville and a Peloton-branded studio at the University of Texas. These early results show promising engagement and sales per square foot, suggesting a potential path to more cost-effective retail expansion. The company's leadership team changes, including the appointment of Charles Kirill as COO, reflect a strategic push for improved supply chain management, faster innovation cycles, and a broader commercial footprint. Peloton's focus on cost management, member engagement, and expansion into new channels and markets are aimed at positioning it for future growth. Looking ahead, Peloton's near-term outlook is shaped by efforts to deepen member engagement, cost improvements, and expansion into new channels and markets. The company will prioritize measurable gains in member engagement and reduced churn from new content and community initiatives, evidence that micro-store and commercial partnerships can drive sustainable subscriber growth, and further improvement in operating margins and free cash flow from ongoing cost management. Investors will be watching for progress on international expansion, leadership hires, and measurable gains in member engagement and reduced churn. In its exploration into innovative ways to expand its customer base and increase its reach, CEO Peter Stern explains the company plans to make its products available for use in gyms and launch a peer-to-peer marketplace for equipment. This strategic move will allow Peloton to distribute its machines to commercial gyms via its subsidiary Precor and add Peloton workouts to compatible Precor equipment. By expanding into the commercial gym space, Peloton can tap into a new market and increase its brand visibility. The peer-to-peer marketplace for equipment will also provide users with more flexibility and options, potentially driving engagement and sales. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.